All right, Dr. Ryan Hetland here. Welcome to today's tip of the day, and I basically want to talk about inflammation and pain. Here's the thing. When you have pain, we all know pain, being sick and being in pain, your neck, it sucks. Let's just be honest. It's not good, and you don't feel good. You want to get it as better as possible, and that's why we tend to reach for medications. That's why people tend to just want to take Dayquil and NyQuil until they feel better and they get their sleep. I get it, not being able to sleep, having back pain, it's terrible. But remember this key thing. Your body's only way to communicate to you is through pain and through symptoms. If you don't ever get pain, you don't ever get symptoms, it either means one of two things. You're healthy, which be careful, we'll get to that in a minute, that actually probably doesn't mean that. Or you're not healthy and you're sick and you have cancer and you have degenerative arthritis forming and you have all these things happening, you just don't feel it yet. Meaning you're not getting the consequences of it yet. How many patients do I have who beat themselves up over their lifetime? They said when they were young they thought they were Superman and they could just do anything they wanted to their body, and now they're 40, 50, and they're just in chronic pain from their joints and their discs and beating their bodies up over their lifetime. So here's the thing, just remember this: when you're in pain, pain is there for a reason. Even though, yeah, it sucks, it's trying, your body's way to trying to communicate to you there's a problem. Now you have to know what to do with it after that point, and that sometimes is very tricky. Do you leave it be? A lot of patients just try to leave it be, let it heal on its own, and you hear a lot of times, I thought this would just go away, and they've been dealing with it for years. If pain's not going away on its own and there's a problem and it's getting worse, of course you need to come and visit a doctor. Now, which doctor you choose, up to you, but that's why a lot of times people choose a chiropractor like myself first, who's going to make the appropriate referral when necessary, because there's studies on this that when people go to medical doctors first, you're going to be 10 times, 100 times, however many times more at risk for them prescribing you a medication and giving you advice to have surgery if it's bad enough. And why would you do those things first when you could visit with a chiropractor, have them evaluate, possibly treat you without drugs, which are just going to say, hey, shut up to the symptom, and not fix anything. Remember, pain's there for a reason. If you just decrease inflammation, take an anti-inflammatory, that's not really going to fix any problem. It fixes the symptom, but what caused the inflammation in the first place just puts you at risk. If your muscle's spasming and you take a muscle relaxant, well, now you're just opening yourself up for more risk because the muscle's spasming for a reason. It's probably guarding some problem in there in the first place. So you want to fix the cause of whatever is causing your pain, not just the symptom. And that's what good chiropractic care can do for you, and good doctoring can do for you in general, is just let's figure out what's causing the problem. Does it need intervention? Does it need chiropractic care? Does it need whatever it needs? Yeah, you can use some forms of help for symptoms, but I'd prefer to use more of a natural route. So instead of a full-fledged ibuprofen, which has side effects, or even a steroid for inflammation, why don't we try boswellia, turmeric, and do some things like ice, and do these natural things to try and decrease inflammation when necessary, and try to pump with blood and pump with different movement and activities. There's tremendous amounts of advice out here for you, and the best way when it comes down to specific problems is to just get checked yourself. Get your family checked, get yourself checked. Come on in, let me see what's going on, let me hear what's going on, and just give you some simple advice. It really doesn't cost that much, and just remember, your health is worth it. There's people willing to spend tons of money on things that are just material and they're not going to last. Your body, you only get one body. It's got to last your whole lifetime, and you got to live with it until your last day here on earth. So make sure to take care of it, invest into it. It's worth it. You're worth it. Have a great day, and comment below. Comment, reach out to me. Let me know how you like these videos. Give me any more comments. Share the love. God bless.